Here are a series of tax tips which have been prepared by Holland Co Chartered Accountants. Hello, my name is Nigel Holland and I am the founder of my firm. Here are a number of ways you may legally reduce your tax bill. Tip 1. Keep receipts. This is an obvious one, but it is surprising how many people do not retain their business receipts, thinking the receipts are not necessary. It may be worth thinking that a £100 petrol receipt is actually worth £100 to you if asked for by HMRC. It may be disallowed if you are unable to find it. Tip 2. Mileage. Most people know if you use your own car for business, you can claim 45p per mile for the first 10,000 miles and 25p after that. But here's what most don't realize. That 10,000 mile allowance is per company. So if you work with more than one and they're not associated, you can claim 45p per mile per company. VAT. Tip: keep your fuel receipts. You can reclaim VAT, typically 7p, 24p per mile, if you or your employees use your own car. Most people miss this. Tip 3. Employ the family. If your spouse or kids help with admin calls or your website, put them on payroll. Cuts your profits, less tax. Your spouse could qualify for state pension benefits. Legit tax deduction, especially useful if your spouse has no other income. Tip 4. Salary sacrifice. If you work in the NHS or civil service, sacrifice some salary into a pension. A company car scheme lowers your tax bill and may help avoid the child benefit tax trap. Tip 5. Charitable giving. If you're a higher rate taxpayer, gift aid is your friend. Say you donate £800. Charity claims £200. It only costs you £800 to give £1,000 to charity. Tip 6. Rental property income split. Own property jointly with a partner. You can split the income however you like, even 100% to one person, by filing a beneficial interest declaration. No solicitor needed. Great if one of you pays less tax, but you can't change it annually, so plan ahead. Tip 7. Trading structure. If you're self-employed and earning over £50, 60k, think about operating through a limited company. It could save you serious tax, especially relevant for medics with private income on the side. Tip 8. Claim expenses. Doctors and other professionals, if you're employed and paying for things like GMC fees, course costs, uniforms. You may be due a tax refund, possibly up to £3,000 going back 4 years. Even if you're pay only, it's often worth filing a self-assessment. Bonus: if you want to save tax, and who doesn't, get in touch. Holland Co Chartered Accountants. This is what we do. And yes, we'll probably save you more than we charge. Follow for more tips. See you in the next one.